Hello learners! In previous video we learned how to create a project in Django. Today we will set up Django and run the server. Let's get started. Open project from the project file using open with code. Let us try starting our project. Open terminal and type python manage.py run server. And we have successfully start the server. To check this server, open your browser and write localhost 8000. We can see here our Django project has been created successfully. Use Ctrl+C button to close the server. Now we will see how to run server on a different port. Just like before, type python manage.py run server and then type the port number you want here. I have taken 9090. As we refresh the page, the server stop running on port 8000 and start running on port 9090. Now we will set up our project by adding or creating required files. First, make a template folder. It is used to hold all the HTML files we are going to make in future. Then create static folder. It is used to store all the JavaScript, CSS, fonts file. And the last one is media folder. It is used to store all the dynamic files like product image, etc. We have made all the required files. Let's take a look on our pre-made files and know about them. Settings.py is one of the most important file in our project. It consists all our components. In this template, we have to give address of our templates folder we recently created. Type base dir templates. And hence we have created or fulfilled all our required files and process we need for project.